Hey guys, welcome back to Lions Den Investments and Reviews. My name is Casey. Today's video I wanted to touch on keywords, okay? Now I've got a product here that I've been using for a while called Keywords Everywhere. And so I want to take you through that and show you how it works and why I'm using it. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google, type in Keywords Everywhere, and then go to their site. Now once you're at keywordseverywhere.com, you're going to install for Chrome or install for Firefox. Now once it's installed, up here in the right hand corner you're going to see a little black circle with a K once it's been installed into your browser. And what it does, if we go back here, what that does is when you go to Google, you're going to type in like a keyword, right? I use this when I'm creating videos for YouTube or doing any type of keyword research for blog posts. And so you want to find out, what people are searching for online. And so I might type in like passive income ideas, right? Just to kind of see what's out there as far as keywords that I could use. So let's say I shoot a video on creating passive income, and I've got some passive income ideas that I want to present in my YouTube video. So what I'll do is I'll go in and I'll look for keywords revolving around that topic and that subject. But when I type it in here under Google, passive income ideas, you'll see what Keywords Everywhere brings up. And these are all search terms that people are looking for online. Okay, so you can basically take your keyword research, and instead of just guessing what people are searching for, you can use Keywords Everywhere to get an idea of what people are actually searching for, because the internet is kind of like a traffic highway. Okay, so imagine that you're on a highway and you're driving. When you're driving down the highway, if you've got a highway with very little, traffic or cars on the highway, but you've got all these signs up, right, saying, "Hey, my shop's over here on the next exit," and there's nobody, really driving down that highway, chances are you're going to be out of business pretty quick, because you're not getting any people directed to your shop or your store, right? So what you want to do is get on a highway where there's a lot of traffic. And so that's kind of the analogy I use with keyword research, because you want to pick keywords that a lot of people search for. If you're promoting a YouTube video or a blog post under keywords that hardly anybody's searching for, chances are you're going to get lower traffic on your videos, and that's what you want to try to avoid. So Keywords Everywhere helps with that, and you can get a good idea as to what are some good keywords that people are using. Once you've got those keywords, though, you might make a list of like 5 or 6 keywords, right? But once you've got those, what you would do is come over here to YouTube, and you can type in like passive income ideas, and you may notice that there's a drop down, right? So it gives you another list of keywords that people are searching for, and these are all related keywords that Google uses and has collected from people who are searching on YouTube. So it's just another way to kind of narrow down your keyword research so that you can pick good keywords and start ranking on YouTube. And just to give you an example here, I'm in the back office of my YouTube channel, and I have a video here that I created about a month ago. And so far, look at all these keywords, right? These are all keywords that I used from the method I just showed you, and they're ranking fairly well, and it's because people are looking for these keywords when they're on Google. And I've had some success with that. This video actually, it's went somewhat viral, and I've got like over 10,000 views already within a month on this particular video. And because of that, I've gotten multiple subscribers as well. So that's the power of keyword research and what it can do for you when you are looking to promote a video or a blog post. So it's Keywords Everywhere, which is up here in the right hand corner. Again, you're just going to go to Google, type in Keywords Everywhere, install it onto your browser. It's a great product to use. It's 100% free too, so you don't have to pay for it. But with that said, if you guys like what you're seeing in the video, leave some comments in the comments below. Let me know, uh, some other things that you would like me to cover when it comes to tools and software and products for investing and creating yourself passive income well into the future, because that's what this channel is about. But with that said, hit the subscribe button in the video below here, and I'll be releasing future content on passive income, investments, products, and services that'll revolve around that topic for you and help you increase your income. Also, there's another video that you can check out as well, and that's 5 steps to creating passive income. So it's basically like a training course or an intro to how to set that up for yourself with 5 different streams of passive income. So check that out as well. But with that said, guys, you have a great day, and I will see you here soon.